Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, and we're starting things off steamy out there, and we will be hot and steamy throughout the day. We had that cold front lagging or sagging to the north of us, a lot of cloud cover and rain associated with it, especially in the upper Gulf Coast and North Florida areas. We have a lot of cloud cover associated with us in our area, and we have a lot of moisture in the Gulf. So we have a southwesterly wind flow blowing any sort of cells on the Gulf into our area, our coastal areas, and then will become inland storms in the afternoon hours. 30% chance of seeing those today. A setup much like yesterday. Now let's look at the futurecast, and it'll show us that moisture in the Gulf, and you can see that, yeah, they will be blowing onshore, those cells, throughout the morning, afternoon, and early afternoon, early evening hours as well. And then we see another buildup in the later evening hours. So scattered showers and thunder showers throughout the day and evening as well. Temperature-wise, again, we are hot out there. We'll be about 89 on average. We'll see 89 in Sarasota this afternoon and Venice, 89 in Inglewood, 91 in Lakewood Ranch this afternoon, 90 in Northport, 88 Rotunda, 91 Port Charlotte, 91 Punta Gorda, and 87 in Boca Grande today. We're also looking at 87 in Lombok Key, and an onshore breeze will keep these areas a little bit cooler. True view is going to paint in your sky. You see a mix of some clouds and sun out there, and you do see some of those raindrops, but the heavier rain to the north of us, again, because of that front that's sagging to the north of us. So boaters, we're going to see some showers and thunder showers today in the Gulf. So coastal showers, of course, they will blow in from the Gulf, so be aware. There is some activity out there, and you're going to be windy as well. Winds will be out of the west at about 15 knots today. Seas will be 2 to 4 feet, and there'll be a moderate chop out there. And if you're heading to the beach, water temperature is 88. UVA continues to be a 10 plus out there. Now, looking at the tropical picture, we are looking at some activity in the Caribbean Sea, but nothing that the National Hurricane Center is really worried about at this point. So we're going to consider it another quiet day out there. Temperature-wise, we're looking at a day in the mid to upper 80s across the state, 86 in Pensacola, 85 for Tallahassee today, 87 for Gainesville, looking at 92 in Vero, 93 West Palm, 92 in Fort Myers, and 92 in Miami. So where the heavier rain is, of course, the cooler temperatures, and we're much warmer to the south today. Now looking at that national picture, well, in the Midwest, we have some scattered storms along the front near the Ohio Valley to the Dakotas today, so scattered showers and thunder showers. In the west, it's really separated into two pieces today. The upper northwest low pressure is giving us some thunderstorm activity, and upper level high in the southwest is keeping things hot and steamy at 100 plus. 107 Phoenix once again today. Now looking at the south, slow-moving front, of course, keeps things wet and stormy, basically in the Gulf Coast, our northern Florida area up to Georgia and the Carolinas today. And in the northeast, an upper-level low and a cold front edging in is keeping things stormy once again in the northeast. Temperature-wise, we're looking at 96 in Dallas, 89 St. Louis, 77 for Detroit today, and 70 in Boston. We're also looking at 107 in Phoenix, 67 in San Francisco. Los Angeles, just a quick note, sunny today. Michael Jackson's, of course, funeral or viewing is today in the Staples Center. So a nice day for anyone heading to that. 69 in Portland and 85 in Billings today. Taking a look at our day, mix of clouds and some sun out there. We're hot and breezy. 89 feels more like 99, and we again are going to see 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Gusts of wind could be up to 23 miles per hour today. Tonight we're mostly cloudy, 20% chance of isolated showers and thunderstorms, and 8:29 will be your sunset. We're looking at 77 degrees as your overnight low once again, and winds will die down rather nicely by this evening. 6-day picture, 40% chance of some scattered showers tomorrow. We bump up our rain chance now to Thursday, the best bet for some more widespread showers and thunder showers out there, and then we bump back down the weekend. We're down to 30%. So things looking pretty good for the weekend and for Monday as well. That's a look at your forecast. Thanks for logging on to Herald-Tribune.com.